Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to talk about Canvas, which is a part of InStructure. We are going to cover pros and cons. I'll tell you more about Canvas and also about the pricing plans that they introduced. So let's start. Canvas is a very nice learning management system, or LMS software. That stands like Canvas LMS. If you put it into Google, you will find exactly this type of canvas, because I know it's really hard to to pick from all the canvases that are out there on the internet. So Canvas is a cloud-based learning management software. It's popularly used by academic and educational institutes. This software can be installed in Android and iOS. This software comes with a few classroom management features, test building, collaboration, and gradebook. Canvas comes with an array of learning management system features like academic education, e-learning companies, corporate business, etc. Canvas comes designed with built-in course authoring tools. Combination of digital media and classroom learning techniques becomes possible using the blended learning feature. You can use or you can benefit from conducting both synchronous and asynchronous learning. Mobile learning support is available. So I would say it's made is mainly for small, medium, and large businesses, and I don't really think, or I don't really see the way how individuals can take an advantage of it. They are providing very nice 24/7 live support, also during business hours, and also online. They are located in the US, and you can run them in your web browser, then on your mobile phone, if it's Android or iOS. Doesn't actually matter. So let's sneak peek into it. First of all, I have to say you have to switch your region on top with Canvas. You can go with North America, Brazil, Latin America, then Asia Pacific, and Europe, Germany, Benelux, Spain, and United Kingdom. I'm not from any of those, but I chose United Kingdom purely because of the English speaking language. So uh, how we can get into it? We can try Canva for free, and it will remain free, but the free options account gives access to students, parents, and administrators. Leverage the power of Canvas with a uniquely unlimited and free environment for teachers and students like this. And the features are, you can like create content such as assignments, quizzes, discussions, and video conferences. Personalized learning with mastery path, outcomes, and standard-based gradebooks. You can leverage the Canvas mobile app suite, and also the big part of Canvas are integrations as well. So we are going with first name, last name, and account type. Let's go with parent or observer, teacher, student, or evaluating other. Let's go with teacher, but they will need the school or organization, number of students, like Canvas, and also the password. Let's try to check it out and lie a bit. Then country. There are more country than there are regions. That's obviously nice. I'm from Slovakia, so I'm going to proceed with Slovakia. Organization type. Let's go with free school, job title, teacher, school. Let's go like this. And let's go with a password. Okay. Okay, this I don't want. And we hit that submit. What? Ugh, okay. So they are hiding their ads behind it. Okay, so let's check it out. How long it's gonna take them to send me the email. And it's instant. It's already here. It's already here. And sorry, we can continue with Canva. And here it is, with a little bit of let's say making something up. You can create your own profile or teacher profile at Canva. On the left side we see the dashboard or the logo where we started from. Then we have account with notifications, profile, file settings, e-portfolios, shared content, and many more. Then we have the courses, your guided course template, calendar, inbox, history, comments, and also we have the help option if we find ourselves in some kind of pickle. So what you can do here, you can publish the courses. On the top right corner we see start a new course, course name. We can pick whatever we basically want to, like math class, create, you can upload an image, yeah, whatever. Course code math, time zone. We can pick, and we want to go to Bratislava. It starts at, okay, default due time and many more options. And then update course details. Everything so far is updated. And then we have sections, navigation, apps, feature options, and integrations. At the moment, no integrations are available, but we can try Zapier for third-party integrations. And let's see if there's a Canva. And it's not. Or in structure. Yo. Nothing. But first of all, I believe you have to add some external apps and then create integration. But with all of it, I think I'm gonna create separate video to not be that mishmashy. So yeah, if you have any types of questions, guys, about how to get into Canva and how to create your free account, Obviously, after that, you'll be able to get a link of a school and then share it to your students. We are gonna do it in the next video. So far, thank you guys for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.